Good morning guys, today I would like to show you how to add post on your Strava account. But first, open Strava app, scroll a bit up and tap on plus icon, which will appear here. So you can add manual activity here, you can add some photos or post. So as we want to add some post, mark post and enter. Enter the details, whatever you want to add. Here you can also add some picture. Also you need to give the permission. Location, contacts, obviously. Okay, so I gave the permission to photos, so let me add this one. And now you can publish it. Tap on publish, and that's it. As you can see now, it will appear on your account and also in public feed. Obviously, if you have got this kind of privacy setup, so everyone can see it, or your friends, it's obviously up to you. But in general, you and your friends and also people that are following you would be able to see your posts. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.